Okay, good morning everyone. We are from the second group. Now we are going to deliver our analysis about news from Randy Kurniadi Atang and Walda Tulis Masbata. I'm Yulita Nawati.
I'm Vipara Disapudati.
Okay, for the first question, it's about headline. Is it interesting and arouses the reader curiosity? In our opinion, the headline or title is interesting because from the title you can find out the business opportunities undertaken by the community during the month of Ramadan. Okay, for the next question, it's about news opener. What type of lead is used? Narrative, descriptive, quote, or question? In the news, it uses question because the first line start from question and after that explain about ngabuburit during the month of Ramadan. Is the lead interesting enough to make the reader continue reading? Of course, because from this news, readers can also find out what are the business opportunities to earn money in the holy month of Ramadan. For the third question, it's about main paragraph. Does the nut graph explain the purpose of main focus of the feature news? We think yes, because this news will still be interesting and useful even when it's not Ramadan. And then, how is the nut graph related to the lead? Because we can see on the third paragraph, it's explained about based on information from one of the seller that the food sold is not made by one maker, but by several makers who where they apply the system of entrusting to the stall and divided by percent. For the question number 4, it's about body. Does the news have a strong storytelling element? In our opinion, it's yes. It does use some conjunctions like and, however, it can connect between paragraphs. How are descriptions, quotes, and facts used in story development? Use descriptive to development the story because it's described about the ngabuburit activities in Sintang, and then fact used to show based on information from one of the seller that the food sold is not made by one maker. It's the fact. And then, is there supporting data or information that strengthens the content of the news? Yes, we found the supporting data or information because use the fact to show the data like on third paragraph. Number 5 is structure and storyline. Is the storyline coherent and easy to follow? We think yes, because the author used the easy words understood for readers. And then how are the transitions between paragraphs? Not really clear because on some paragraph not use conjunction to connect the paragraph. So the transition is not really clear. And then number 6, sources and quotes. Are the sources of information credible and relevant? And again we say yes because the author used yes because we can see on the third paragraph about information from one of the seller. And then are quotes used to strengthen the story? Not really, because in this news there is no quotes. For number 7, it's about style. Is the language used descriptive and able to build the reader's imagination? We think yes. Like in the first paragraph, it describes about ngabuburit as an activity that people do in Ramadan month. Is there any use of figurative language or creative writing techniques? In our opinion, yes. use creative writing technique. Start the news with the question. I think it's really creative writing technique. And then the last question is about conclusion or ending. Does the story close with a strong conclusion? Not really, because the news not give the clear conclusion. Does the ending leave an emotional impact or deep thought for the reader? Yes, because completing between sellers cannot be denied. Okay, for the next news, will deliver by far.
Okay, I will continue the next analysis from Yeni and Yulianti. The title is Hunting for Ramadan, Culinary Specialties in Banning More Than Just Takjil. The first question about title is it interesting and arouses the reader's curiosity? And does it reflect the content of the news without being too long? The answer is yes, because the title makes some readers interested and curious about the content of the news and reflect to the content. The second question, lead or news opener. What type of lead in use? Narrative, descriptive, what or question? Is the lead interesting enough to make the reader continue reading? The type of lead is used descriptive because from the first paragraph, the author describes about the aroma of Malay spices. The lead is interesting. From the first line, the author makes interesting news opener so that the reader will continue to the read. The third question, not paragraph or main paragraph. Does the not graph explain the purpose or main focus of the feature news? How is the not graph related to the lead? Not really, because this news only interesting on Ramadan. Yes, because on second paragraph explain about more than just takjil on Ramadan, but also that emphasize local flavors and nutritional balance. And the next question, content development or body. Does the news have a strong storytelling? How are description, quotes, and facts used in story development? Is there supporting data or information that strengthens the content of the news? Yes, have a strong storytelling elements. The description used to describe about menu on Mata Bola Ramadan Canteen. And the next, yes, cause explain Ramadan culinary specialties not only takjil but also another menus. The next question, structure and storytelling. Is the storytelling coherent and easy to follow? How are the translation between paragraphs? Yes, because author use the easy words and to understand for readers, and the translation between paragraph is clearly because use conjunction to span the paragraph before, like, unlike, for, and. The next paragraph, source and quotes. Are the source of information credible and relevant? Are quotes used to strengthen the story? Not really relevant, because third paragraph at a 5 line not really with the picture, not really relevant with the picture. And for the quotes, there is no quotes. And the next question, style. Is the language used descriptive and able to build the reader's imagination? Is there any use of figurative language or graffiti writing techniques? Yes, because when we read the news, we can imagine the aroma of Malay species and aroma from another menu. And the next, yes, use of figurative language like on paragraph 5 paragraph. Use the sentence like this sample campaign become magnet. And the last question, conclusion or ending. Does the story close with a story conclusion? Does the ending leave an emotional impact or deep thought for the reader? Yes, close with a strong conclusion because include all of the news content. And the next, yes, because in Ramadan we can celebrate together on Mata Bola Ramadan Cantik.
Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you and see you in the next video.